Teacher Shannon. Before we continue, I want to ask you, how are you today? Do you feel happy? Or do you feel sad? Or do you feel angry? Teacher Shannon feeling excited today because we are going to learn a letter. Can you guess what letter we learn today? Let me give a tips for you. A, B, C, D. What's the next one? Yes, it's letter E. Letter E sound E. Can you follow one more time? Let's try. Letter E sound E. Good job. Now we are going to sing a letter song with E.
Evan, the engine is rolling down the track. Go, Evan, go. Go, Evan, go. Evan, the engine is rolling down the track. Go, Evan, go. Go, Evan, go. Evan, the engine is carrying lots of things. Lots of things that start with letter E. Evan, the engine is carrying lots of things. Lots of things that start with letter E. Lots of things that start with letter E. Eggs and eggplant and envelopes and elephants. Eggs and eggplant and envelopes and elephants. Envelopes and elephants.
Now we are going to learn the formation. Wow, there are a lot of capital letters. Can you find out where is the letter E? Oh, it's here. Found it.
E.
Let's follow the dot to write the capital letter E. We tap the dot and start at the top and make a line down. We go back to the top again and make a line across. Tap it and then go to the middle and make a line across. Lastly, we go to the bottom and make a line across. Tap it. Yeah, there will come out a letter E. Oh, now we have to follow the arrow and write the letter on the shadow. Let's start with the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make a line across. And middle, make a line across. Bottom, make a line across. Letter E. Oh, the shadow is no more. Now we have to write it on the column. Let's follow. Down, across, across, and across. Yeah, we did it.
E is for egg.
Oh, there's a bug on the egg. Oh, he saved the egg. Wow. Thank you. The egg start with letter E. After we learn the formation of capital letter, now let's find out where is the letter E. Small letter E. Oh, I found it. It's here.
E.
Let's take the dot to write the letter E. The dot is stuck below the middle and make a line across. Then go up and around to the bottom. You'll come up letter E. Again, let's start below the middle and make a line across. Then go up and around to the bottom. Good job! Now, let's try to write by ourselves by following the across, up, and around to the bottom. Good job!
E is for eagle.
Oh no, he's fall down. Eagle try to save him. Yeah, Eagle saved his life. Thank you, Eagle. E is for eagle. Now, let's play a game with letter E. Can you help me sort the capital letter and small letter E into the basket? Oh, this is a capital letter E. How about the next one? Oh, it's small letter E. Continue. Good job. This is small letter E. Capital letter E. Next. Good job. It's left 2 S. Let's finish. Small letter. And the last one is capital letter E. Good job. The next game we play is complete the puzzle. We refer to the small pictures and complete the puzzle. Let's find where is the edge of the picture. Yeah, good job. How about we complete the letter E first? Capital letter E. What is the button? Yeah, so good. How about the next one? It's belly of the eagle. Then, it's small letter E. It's another one. H. Let's complete the letter E, small letter E. Good job. And the last one, the head of the eagle. Yeah, we did it. The eagle start with letter E. Okay, before we end off this lesson, let us reflect what we have learned today. Is it letter A? No. How about letter B? No. Today we learn the capital letter and small letter E. Can you remember what is the sound of the letter E? Yes, it's E. Capital letter E, small letter E. The sound is E. Good job. Then, what things that start with the letter E? Just now we played 2 games. First one, sorting game, and the second one, puzzle. Both of them start with letter E. What is this? Good job. It's egg. And the another one, eagle. Both of them start with letter E.